Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, it's gonna pretty much be a response to a question that I got. Um, they were trying to do the glitter border on the top as well as the bottom. I'm gonna show the way that I do it, and then the way that I think they may have done it, and then like an alternative that they could pretty much use. So I pretty much have my glitter backgrounds right here already on the page. So the way that I normally do it is I just pretty much blow this thing up to the same size as my chip bag. Okay, let me make sure it's the same. Okay. And then once I do that, I can go ahead and send it back. This should be pretty much the furthest thing on the page. Okay, now if I get rid of these, I am left with the glitter for my border now. That is one way that you can do it. I'm going to go ahead and let's bring these back. Yeah, let's bring these back. I'm going to show the way that I think you may have done it, which is the way that I started off doing it at first. And as you said, you know, it was like really distorted, and I was like, there's got to be a different way to do this. So of course, you know, you click on your border, you go to shape fill, and you go down to your image. I'm just gonna click on the very first thing that I see. Let me go to glitter. See if I okay. All right. Yeah, there we go. And of course, as you see, it is very distorted. It's not clear. It don't look like glitter at all. That don't look like nothing. So another way you can do this, I'm gonna go ahead and just delete it and delete the glitter background as well. Another way to do it, if you do not want to like fill up the whole background with the image, is you can go ahead and just get your, you said you were using gold glitter. Okay, that's perfect. One thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and put your image, your picture on the page. Click on it, go to format, and you're going to want to crop the image. And just go ahead and crop it down to the area that you like. And then once you have that cropped, then you can go ahead and apply it to your chip bag now. And then of course you want to copy, and then let's paste it onto the top as well so it is matching. And there you go. That is another way that you can do it. You can crop the image, or you can just straight up push it to the back and use it as a background, because it should, you know, stick out from your front and the sides. So I hope that helped. I really do hope this helps. If not, if you still have any questions, you know, please feel free to ask, and I will do my best to try to help you. But yeah.